Okay guys, I have my weekly Aldi's haul to share with you. We got a little bit more this week because at the end of this week, I am going away to my sister's wedding at the Jersey Shore. The Jersey Shore vlog will hit next week, maybe Monday of next week. So there's a little bit more here than we normally get because I have to make some meals for my husband and children for the refrigerator. But we were lucky enough to still find the chicken pot stickers that we had gotten the last week. They went over super well. Everybody loved them. So we got 2 packs this time. And I got this sesame teriyaki sauce to dip them in because the soy sauce that we usually dip them in, it was just too salty and they're better with the teriyaki. Another thing that we got last week that everybody loved was the shrimp. And I made shrimp scampi. And I had quite a few people ask me if I would share that recipe. Guys, we got ice again. I feel like this is a repeat of last week. So my husband is shoveling ice again. That's what that sound is. But anyways, so everybody loved the shrimp scampi from last week. And I had a few requests if I would share the recipe. So I picked up more of the shrimp. And they had these all-natural scallops from the Pure Waters of Cheshire Bay or whatever. So I'm actually going to put scallops in with my shrimp. So it's going to be scallop shrimp scampi. It should be delicious. I got these teriyaki noodles to go with the pot stickers and teriyaki sauce. I got some turkey breast and some hard salami and Black Forest ham and sliced mozzarella cheese for a anapasta salad. That's an anapasta salad, baby. Look at that. I am thoroughly... That I'm going to be making for lunch actually today. So that's what the green olives, the balsamic vinegar. Somewhere in here I have black olives. There they are over there. That's going to be all for our anapasta salad for dinner tonight. Please excuse the shoveling. It's getting really loud. The ice is pretty thick here. My daughter wanted to try these chicken flavored noodles. I keep telling her they're the same thing as oodles and noodles, but because they're in a box and she sees them on TikTok all the time, she had to have them. So I got her 2 of those. They actually had Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. So I picked up 2 of those. They were 79 cents. That's a really good deal. I got some fresh garlic. That's for the shrimp and scallop scampi. I had to get more honey for my morning teas. These are new. I love their tilts. I usually get the coconut, but they had milk chocolate mint chocolate chip. So I'm going to try these. I got to be careful with chocolate, but I figured that's probably just enough I can handle. I needed some cooking stock because I'm making ham this week. I got sharp cheddar cheese and sugar for iced tea. The cheese is to put on all of these meat lovers' bowls. Those are my husband's and my daughter's favorite. So for breakfasts while I'm gone, that's what they can have. Of course, a staple butter. I already mentioned the olives for the anapasta salad. My husband wanted Cheez-Its. My daughter loves waffles. They're snacking chips. My daughter loves the sour cream cheddar. He loves like the wavies. I got him extra eggs because I'm going to make them a quiche. There's the ham steak. I'm going to slice that and cut that all up and make ham, green bean, potato soup. And I'm going to make a huge batch of it so that I can eat it for dinner one day this week, freeze the rest, and then they can have it next weekend while I'm gone. I got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I found this, which was awesome. My daughter's going to love it, which is the Kellogg's Fruit Loops with marshmallows. I got my staple of my ground chicken. I eat a lot of chicken rather than beef. I already said the eggs. I think I got everything over here. So over here, my husband drinks Monsters. My husband does not. I tell him all the time. I said, just because you're thin doesn't mean you're healthy. And these Monsters and Cokes and your Gatorades are not good for you. Drink water. But he does, he's a grown man. What am I going to do? Here is the French style green beans for the ham, green beans, and potatoes. I'm also making ribs this week. We had them last week and everybody loved them. So instead of doing the baked beans, this time I'm going to do the coleslaw. Here is our romaine hearts for the anapasta salad that I'm making today. My staples, of course, apples. My daughter wanted some apple juice. I got real lemon for the shrimp and scallop scampi. These are my husband's favorites, Nutter Butters. This is another TikTok thing. My daughter saw these mochi, I think is how you say it, ice cream things on TikTok and has been begging me to try them. And lo and behold, Aldi's had it. So I picked it up and I got her little fruit snacks that she asked for as well. And then, of course, you know, you buy all this food, you need butt paper. And here are his Gatorades. Then the piece of resistance. Ah! Look at the sign I found at Aldi's. And guys, it was only $9.99. A sign that big at Hobby Lobby's, which you guys just saw my Hobby Lobby haul. They were like $59.99. I got that one for $9.99 at Aldi's. So that one's my favorite. But that is my Aldi's haul for this week, guys. Stay tuned. I'm going to do a quick meal planning with you guys on my new dry erase board. And that'll be that. So this is my new dry erase board that I got from the Dollar Tree that you guys will see in a haul very soon. And I got it because it has the magnets on the back, so I plan on knocking you guys all around. Wouldn't be a Missy video unless I did. So this is what I'm actually going to be putting on my fridge. And I really, really hope that this keeps me on track and moving forward with my meal planning and really keeping up with my meal planning so that we eat at home, because my family and I love to eat out, but it's not good for us, and I know it'll save us money. And then on this side, I have my pickup, so like that'll be like my running grocery list, so that when I go shopping, because we usually shop on Sundays, I will know what to pick up, like if we're out of milk or whatever it may be. So that's where I'm going to jot this down, because like I said, it's going to go right on my refrigerator. So I'm really hoping that this is going to help organize me. This is all I have right now, but I'm definitely that type of person that when I start doing things like this and I start utilizing it, I know I'll probably switch it up, because as I'm using it, I'll go, oh yeah, I need to add that, or oh, maybe I'll put a little slash over here and add this little space because I remember I need to do that as well. Because I was already thinking when I was setting this up, I was like, you know, it would be really even better, especially for me, is if I meal plan what we're having that night for dinner and then what I'm having for lunch the next day. That would even be better. But for right now, this is what I have. It might come down to it where I have two of these on the fridge. I'll have one set up like this and then one set up with what I'm having for lunch and my exercise routine that I'm doing that day. So you never know, there might be coming one of them as well. So just like I was mentioning in the haul as I was showing it to you, today is Sunday. I'm going to try very hard to get this video up for you on Sunday because, like I said, it's usually when I shop. So my weeks usually go from Sunday to Saturday. So tonight I am having what we call baked chicken, but it's actually something that I throw into my Instapot. It's delicious. So I always forget how to spell baked. I always like, is it a C? Baked. I'm going to put baked chick with veg. And then out of this, I'm actually making a whole lot more chicken than we'll actually eat, because I'm going to be doing meal planning out of that for the week. And I'm going to show you guys my meal plan for the week too. That video will be out sometime this week, where I'm going to show you like 1 or 2, maybe 3 recipes on how I meal plan for the week, my breakfasts and my lunches and stuff. So look for that video. It's coming. I'm doing lots of meal planning and meal prep, because I know me, for lunches, if I don't have something like ready in the refrigerator, I'm going to grab things that I really shouldn't be eating. I need to stay on track, and meal prepping is really how I stay on track. So I meal prep on Sunday when I get all my brand new groceries. So if I meal plan and meal prep, I should be good. Monday, we are going to have the shrimp scallop scampi. But that's all these S's. Shrimp. With veg. Okay. Tuesday, we're going to have ribs and slaw. That's my husband's favorite. What I might actually do for that meal is I might actually put the ribs in my Instapot, and I'll eat my ribs kind of whole, whereas he loves when I shred it up. I put barbecue sauce in it and put not slaw dressing, but coleslaw on top of it, like in a sandwich. Oh, he loves it. So that might be happening. Wednesday, we are having ham and green bean, like a soup. It's kind of like a soup. Ham and green beans. Thursday, we are having a meatloaf dinner and taters. I'm having a sweet potato, meatloaf, and taters. And then Friday, I am leaving like at 4 o'clock in the morning to head to New Jersey. So my husband and my daughter, and if my son happens to be home, they're going to actually be ordering out Friday night. So I'm just going to put pizza here for them as a takeout. And then Saturday, they're eating leftovers of the ham and green beans. So I'm going to put leftovers for them because I should be back Sunday or Monday, somewhere in between there. So that's what they're going to do for over the weekend. So that is my meal plan for this week. And like I said, I really think a great addition to this would be maybe I'll make a pickup one extra, and like where this line is on this side, I can put down what I'm having for lunches for the week, what I meal prepped for the lunches for that week, or my meal prepping over here. Like, I don't know. I have a feeling this is going to get changed up, but for right now, this is my weekly meal plan. And then on this side, I will put up whatever I need to pick up throughout the week. And then I might be picking up another one of these to do my meal prepping. That might just be a great idea. So the next step is just to get this on the refrigerator, and I am set for the week. So thanks so much for joining me today for today's simple Aldi's haul. I hope you enjoyed it. And my quick idea on how I'm doing some weekly meal planning that I have a feeling I'll be jazzing up, because as I'm doing it, I'm already thinking of other things I would like to keep organized on my fridge and in front of my face so that I won't deviate from what I know I need to do. So I hope you guys have a great and blessed day. And as always, I always say, stay creative, be you, take care of you, love what you do, and take care of what you have. Until the next time, guys, bye.